friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add alt text in images in our WordPress website, right? It is super easy. Let me tell you, using 2 to 3 methods you can add alt text in your image, right? First of all, you can visit media library section, right? Wherever you have uploaded image, you can simply add alt text from here also, right? So we are visiting the media library section. Why do we add alt text, right? Let me tell you first this. Adding alt text helps you in search engine optimization, right? Adding alt text in images help you in search engine optimization. Your web page would appear in top of the search results. Why so? Because you are taking care of blind people as well, right? Blind people uses internet using screen readers, and the screen reader softwares read the alt text present in those images wherever the images appear, so they come to know what the image is related to, right? This is one factor. Apart from it, the second factor is that whenever a user opens a web page and due to low internet connectivity, the web page do not appear in front of that user properly and the images gets break down. In that scenario also, the alt text would appear in the bottom of the broken image, right? And will tell user that this image is related to this topic, right? So we are into the media library section. Here you can simply select the image and you can simply enter the alt text, whatever the alt text you want to enter, right? For example, if I select this image, alt text is not available over here, then I can simply type and click on cross, right? Then alt text would be added to this image. This is the easiest method. Now let me go to the post, right? All post, edit this article. Whenever you write a blog post on your WordPress website and you just upload an image, right? Then you can simply select that image and you can enter the alt text in right side toolbar as well, right? Let me tell you, for example, I am just going to add an image after this paragraph, so I have clicked in the end of the paragraph and now clicked on enter and created a new line and click on plus and image. I'm going to upload an image, click on upload, and from system I'm going to upload the image, right? We have already discussed we should rename the image in our system with the keywords or with the context of the image so that our image ranks in Google image search. So I have already renamed the image in my system, right? We are going to select this image and click on open. Okay, the image would appear in front of us soon. Once it appears, then we can enter the alt text over here, right? So we can type till our image gets uploaded. Might be because of low internet connectivity, it's taking some time, right? There is an image related to WordPress. Oh, my image has not been uploaded. I will click on media library and I will select it from media library. Okay, you can also add the alt text here as well, right? I have clicked on select and now I am going to add alt text from here. There is an image related to WordPress admin dashboard asking for username and or email and password that admin needs to enter to log in into the WordPress admin dashboard for making changes to the website, right? So we have added the alt text of this image, right? So this is how you can add alt text in the images of a WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.